A flashing white light on your Rogers hub, whether it's an XB6, XB7, or XB8 model, typically indicates the device is stuck in a boot loop, attempting a software update, or encountering an initialization error. This problem often occurs due to corrupted firmware, power interruptions during updates, or hardware glitches. Here's what to do immediately. Perform a power cycle by unplugging the hub from the power outlet for 2 to 5 minutes, then plugging it back in. This clears temporary memory issues and restarts the boot sequence, resolving the problem in many cases. While waiting for the hub to power cycle, ensure the power outlet is stable and not connected to any appliances that might cause power fluctuations. If the flashing white light persists after 10 minutes, move on to the next troubleshooting steps. If a power cycle doesn't resolve the flashing white light, try a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the back of the hub and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds. This will erase your custom settings and reload the default firmware, but you'll need to set up your Wi-Fi name and password again afterward. To prevent this issue in the future, avoid interrupting the hub during firmware updates. Ensure it has a stable power supply, and consider using a surge protector to protect against power fluctuations. Keep the firmware updated through the Rogers app or the hub's admin panel at 192.168.1 if you can access it. If problems persist, contact Rogers support for remote diagnostics or a possible device replacement, especially if you suspect hardware failure.